Today, the Camp Nou construction has reached a point where several different pieces are coming together at the same time. New decorative lighting, final aluminum panels, advancing VIP areas, and a compression ring that is now just 5 pillars away from completing its current perimeter. But there is more, because some of the latest finishing details are already revealing what the final stadium will actually look like. So let's get straight into the latest progress and see how close the new Camp Nou is getting to its final transformation. The first mobility core is now showing one of the most important finishing developments, with the decorative lamellas already installed and the final aluminum panels now being added. This combination gives the core a much more complete and refined appearance, marking the transition from structural construction to the final exterior finishing stage. However, some visible dents and impact marks can still be seen on the aluminum panels and corner profiles, so these elements will need to be corrected or replaced to ensure the final finish meets the required quality standard. The stadium is also being progressively prepared for the upcoming Joan Gamper Trophy on August 19, 2026, when FC Barcelona will face Al Ahly at Spotify Camp Nou. As the match approaches, temporary construction materials, excess earth, ramps, and other equipment are being progressively cleared from spectator-facing areas and access routes. These preparations are helping create cleaner and more organized circulation zones, while construction continues in the remaining areas of the stadium. The installation of decorative ceramic lamellas is now expanding across multiple sections of the stadium, particularly around the south goal and lateral mobility cores. Several platforms are operating simultaneously, with workers installing lamellas at both lower and upper levels. Additional supports and anchoring points are still being prepared in some sections, but the pace of installation is clearly increasing. With each new section completed, larger portions of the exterior are taking on the final architectural appearance of the stadium. Another major compression ring component has been lifted into position in the Tribuna area. The new XL box was raised by the tower crane and remained connected to the lifting equipment while workers continued securing and tightening its bolts. Additional radial beams and temporary support structures are also progressing around this section. With only a small number of pillars and radial beams remaining, this latest installation brings the Tribuna compression ring even closer to its final closure. The third tier remains structurally advanced, although the visible activity is currently focused more on finishing and access works than on major structural construction. The upper circulation areas and mobility cores continue to receive stair, wall, and finishing elements, while painting and surface preparation are progressing in several sections. Some areas remain relatively quiet as the stadium moves toward the next phase of architectural completion, but the overall third-tier structure is already substantially developed. The third tier is now moving beyond the main structural phase and into the seating and finishing stage. The structure itself is already substantially advanced, while prefabricated seating elements are being installed across the completed sections. Access stairs and circulation routes around the upper levels are also progressing, although some finishing work remains around the mobility cores and internal areas. New decorative lighting installations have now started appearing on the lamellas at the south goal lateral corner. This continues the lighting work already visible across the lateral sector and will eventually create a continuous illuminated facade. Once the remaining lights are installed, this entire section should provide a completely different visual effect at night, especially when viewed from outside the stadium. It will also allow us to see how the new facade elements work together once the lighting system is fully operational. Work continues between the first and second terraces in the VIP ring areas, with sandwich panels already installed in several mobility cores. Other sections are also being closed from the upper part of the second VIP ring. The installation of these panels is progressively enclosing the previously open spaces and preparing the structure for its final architectural finishes. As more of these sections are closed, the VIP ring is gradually taking on the appearance of a finished interior space. In the north goal, the first VIP ring continues to progress through its exterior finishing stages. Some sections already have their glass installed, while other areas are still waiting for additional finishing work. The exterior rendering has not yet reached the entire north goal sector, showing that this part of the VIP ring is still progressing in stages. The remaining rendering and finishing work will gradually bring these different sections to the same level of completion. Inside the central north goal core, painting work is now clearly underway. The structural columns are receiving their white finish, together with the perpendicular beams. This is an important indication that the core is moving toward its next enclosure stage. Another section is already substantially closed, with only some corner finishing elements still remaining. Once the painting phase is completed, the installation of the remaining enclosure elements should follow shortly. The compression ring has reached another major milestone, with only 5 pillars remaining to complete the current pillar perimeter around the stadium. The latest Tribuna pillar has already been installed together with its radial beam, while additional pillars are being prepared for installation. Once these final 5 pillars and their corresponding radial beams are in place, the entire structural perimeter will be much closer to the next stage of compression ring installation. This makes the next few installations particularly important as the structure approaches the completion of its pillar framework. The exterior of the future Barca store is also receiving finishing work. The surrounding walls have already been rendered, while glazing and ventilation elements are visible along the side section. The large doors at the front will serve as the main entrance, while the side access appears to be designed primarily as a service entrance. These details show that the commercial area is gradually moving toward its final architectural appearance. More finishing elements should continue to appear here as the surrounding areas are progressively completed. Inside the diamond planned for the future Barca store, a significant amount of material has now been cleared, leaving the interior much more open. This could indicate that preparations are beginning for the formation of the future seating structure, following a similar process to the work already carried out in another diamond. If confirmed, this would represent another important step in the development of the commercial facilities around the stadium. The cleared space now provides a much clearer view of how this future commercial area could begin to take shape. Several smaller gaps between the facade elements are also being progressively closed. Although some openings remain around the mobility cores and other structural interfaces, the exterior is becoming increasingly continuous. The remaining gaps will require further lamella installation, finishing work, and the completion of specific structural supports. Concrete pouring is underway along the access route leading toward the north goal. A concrete pump and delivery system are being used to place the concrete, with workers spreading and finishing the material along the prepared route. This follows the earlier installation of lightweight aggregate, geotextile layers, and ground preparation works. The angled decorative lamellas may also have an additional function beyond their architectural appearance. According to an explanation given during a stadium tour, their shape could help direct concert sound upward and reduce the impact on the surrounding area. The lamellas are primarily part of the stadium's exterior design, but their potential role in managing sound during future concerts adds another interesting aspect to this new facade system. If this function is indeed part of the design, the lamellas would combine an aesthetic purpose with an additional acoustic benefit. The latest developments show clear progress across both the exterior finishing and structural areas of the stadium. Decorative lamellas, final aluminum panels, and lighting are expanding across the facade, while sandwich panels and VIP finishing continue to close the interior and exterior spaces. Overall, the stadium is moving steadily from major structural construction toward its final architectural and operational stages.